What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video, man. And today's video, we're gonna be putting on a wheel bearing. So you can say this a how-to video, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all through the steps. Super easy, super simple. You feel me? It's the part, Detroit axle. So yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. Before you jack the car up, you wanna go on and loosen the lug nut bolts, you feel me? While the wheel on the ground. The next step after this, you will want to put a jack stand under the car for your safety. Feel me? I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, y'all put a jack stand under the car after you jack it up. Okay, after that, you'll want to take this caliper off and use one of these to hold that up. Okay, so the two bolts to hold the caliper bracket, this one and that is a 18. Gotta hang it up here, feel me? Take this off. Now the reason I'm replacing this, when I'm like driving, it be making a roar noise on this side. You see, got the tabs on the side, top and bottom. Feel me? Then you got 4 13 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. If y'all was reusing this, you'll want to use a rubber hammer, but I'm not. But I'm finna go get the hammer. Couldn't find my hammer. I know it already matched, but this is what y'all will want to do before y'all install it. You don't want to put it in this way because the plug go in that way. So you actually want to flip this, boom, where the plug is like that. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have no plug-in problem. So, yes sir. Oh, and if you never changed the wheel hub before, when y'all get ready to put the caliper back on, make sure y'all put one of the lug nuts on there. You don't got to tighten it up for real, for real. You feel me? Just where it holds, where it don't move, so y'all can screw this on. And that's it, man. That's how y'all replace a hub on the 4th gen or any F-body, the front. If y'all like the video, please subscribe, and y'all gotta like it and comment, man, and tell me what else y'all want me to make so I can show y'all how to do. I'm out.